Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty. And in today's video, I have a special guest.
Sienna.
My 11. Are you turning 11? You're turning 11, right? You're 10?
In October.
My 10-year-old sister, Sienna, is gonna do my makeup. And we actually did a video like this when she was 8, so let's see how much your skill has improved in
0%.
No, you got better. You play with makeup. Yeah, she's gonna do my makeup. So subscribe to my channel, follow all of my social media, and let's get started.
And mine.
Follow her TikTok. And let's get started in this video. So she picked the Estee Lauder Illuminating Perfecting Primer. So here you go.
Can I put on my hand first?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Did you wet your sponge?
No.
Come on, you're the makeup artist.
Oh, no.
So she's going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, my favorite, and a Sonia Kashuk sponge.
Do I need to blend it down?
You're the makeup artist. God, be gentle around my eyes. That whole side of my nose feels nuts.
Oh.
Okay, so now she's going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer.
Is that all? Like on your eyes?
Yes, I don't think you need it anywhere else. No, you don't need it there.
You put your in between your eyelash. Brow.
Does it look like I need coverage there?
It's Gucci.
You blended it in all the way?
But
You blended it in all the way? Okay, so next up is powder.
I'm using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder.
You're gonna wanna tap it on first so you don't mess up the foundation. Okay, what do you wanna do next? Eyebrows?
Okay.
It's really easy because you picked a tinted brow gel. She picked the Collab Beauty Tinted Brow Gel Mascara. So you just literally brush it on my eyebrows.
So is it like how you did 2 years ago? Brush up, brush down.
Whatever you think.
I'm using the
It smells so good.
Beauty.
Butter! It's butter!
That looks like an eye.
Butter. Apply my bronzer.
Where do I put it? That?
Like right here. Not down there. Alright, now eyeshadow.
I'm using
Jeffree Star. Blue Blood. She's the one that wanted to go in with Blue Blood, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so she just did like blue polka dots on the lid. So she's gonna use blue eyeshadow for blush.
I wish I never responded to all this text. Okay, what do you want to talk about? Because this is being boring.
You pick.
Okay, do you want to talk about who's canceled?
No. It's not a drama channel.
It could be.
Who is your favorite TikToker?
Addison Rae
Really?
and Avani and Zoe. Those are my Aries. I need a bad bleep. Addison Rae, Shadi the baddest. Yeah, she got her ways.
You're too funny.
As a comedian.
Is this showing up how you want it to?
I'm gonna put in some little darker ones. Nar. Guys, could I be a comedian? Yes.
What else do you want to talk about?
Who is yours favorite TikToker? Addison Rae.
I love Brittany Broski.
Makeup person.
No. She's so funny.
Who's your guys' favorite TikToker?
Leave it down below.
Yes.
My favorite YouTubers are Raw Beauty Christy. She's a makeup person.
I can name one.
What?
Manny Moo.
Manny MUA, yeah. I love Manny. I love Kathleen Lights. She's a makeup person. I always watch ShanXO. Nikki and Gabby I love.
Yeah. Did you know she met them?
Yeah, I met Nikki and Gabby, but I watch Nikki's personal channel more than Gabby's personal channel.
Yeah, Gabby's all about the shimmer shimmer glimmer glimmer. I have to draw a butterfly. With eyeliner?
Yeah, what else are we gonna use?
I have no clue. I always shake. Okay, ask me a question.
You start, I don't know.
Wait, what is my favorite, what's it called, YouTuber?
I don't even know you watch YouTube.
I always watch Alex, Warren, and Thomas because they always post the funniest stuff. They just vlog their day.
She drew the lovely butterfly. I let her.
I'm kind of trying.
Ofra's Star Island.
Oh, you know what my favorite part is?
Okay, so the last thing is lipstick. And she picked Jeffree Star, Drug Lord, and Mermaid Blood, and an e.l.f. clear lip gloss that isn't super clear, but still clear. So what are you gonna do with this lipstick?
Okay. So first I put the Mermaid Blood on her lips, like her lips.
On her lip. Her lip.
No, rub it.
So
okay, let me tell you my favorite part about this part. The lipstick. That's it. I tried to do tie-dye because you know how it's, yeah.
this is her makeup. Blue butterfly.
You know what? You know the name of that lipstick, Mermaid Blood? You look like a mermaid blood.
But yes, that was her doing my makeup at 10 years old. Oh. Maybe we'll do this in another 2 years when you're 12 and then 14 and then 16.
I'm never gonna be wearing makeup. Period. Poop.
I don't think you should.
I don't think
It's a butterfly for me. We have to go do that TikTok. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to...
It's the bad YouTuber for me.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Follow all of my social media down below. Okay, and not we. I will see you in my next video, okay?
Bye!